Hi, Jubib. So, my name is Muna. Today I want to show you how to make the what we call Bok Lhong. Bok Lhong is mean papaya salad. So this is the ingredient I want to show you today. So we have garlic and chili and tomatoes, small tomatoes, and papayas. And this is we call kapit, is fish sauces, kapit in Thai. So but actually Bok Lhong is like we have different tastes. Like Thailand they call song tam, in Lao they call song tam Lao. So but today I'm not going to cook in Thai song tam Thai or song tam Lao, but we're going to cook. We're going to make the Bok Lhong, Khmer Bok Lhong. So now we have to put this fish sauces a little bit that we call kapit. It smells a little bit bad. And then we need sugar, because you know the main sauce of papaya salad, the main sauce must be salty, spicy, and sour. These three sauces must be very important. You have to be salty, spicy, and sour. You know, you put a little bit sugar because normally when you put salty, you have to add more sugar to be the best. And now I try fish sauce. So fish sauce a little bit because we also have a kapit, a very salty already, and we put lime juice. Mix it. Actually, we need to have like I don't know how to bar that we need to mix it, but because here in the US we don't have this tool to use it, I try very easy ways that you all can do it. Oh, I have to tell you, you also have to add if you like like green beans, we call long beans, or carrots. So, but carrots you have to make it like this too. But because I feel like I don't like carrot too much, that's why today we are not going to put carrot. So you have to make it like this to make sure that all the ingredients they mix together. And you have to taste it first. A bit more lime juice. So after we mix up, just put it all, and then we start mix it. So papaya salad is very easy to make it. And one more thing is because basil. Basil is very important. I don't have the green basil. I have only the one from the frozen one, but we still can put it to make it more, the papaya salad more smelling good. Here and mix again to make it, to make sure that all this, sauces combine together. Oh my god, the best, very delicious. So easy, right? So it's finished. So in order to eat, we have to eat with all of this. So salad is very important. So for example, I just try to show you the way we eat like this. Papaya like this. If you have like chicken wings or chicken leg, and you roast it like barbecue, and put with this. Oh my god, this is the best ever. Very good, easy.